Hey guys, it's Ariana again, here with a challenge for you all. This challenge comes to you from the Rijksmuseum in Amsterdam and is called Between Art and Quarantine. It's blown up all over on the internet. Many people are having a lot of fun with this art history challenge. The challenge is about recreating a work of art with the people, pets, and objects inside of your home. Now let's check some out and see what other people are making so we can all come up with our own. Alright guys, let's talk about some tips. Number 1, enlist a pet. Get your dogs, cats, bunnies, and even ferrets into the mix. Bonus points if you have an extra flexible and acrobatic cat. Number 2, make a face and strike a pose. If you're interested in recreating a portrait or group scene, pay attention to the facial expressions. They're really what you make it. If you're reenacting a scene with multiple figures, definitely pay attention to the poses. For a family activity, look for a domestic or dinner scene. Next tip, pay attention to the lighting. Try to imagine where the light in the artwork is coming from, and orient your composition so a window or lamp is casting similar light into the scene. In bright daylight, windows offer a blue tinted light, while most lamps cast a warm glow. Next tip, think abstractly. If you're having trouble recreating an artwork's appearance, try focusing on shapes over colors. Last tip, why not make it snackable? Edible art counts too. Hope you have fun with this, and I can't wait to see what you all will create. Make sure to share the original artwork with your recreation photo. When you are done and have it submitted, you could send your work to these accounts to be featured. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.